Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, I'm Ali. This time I want to share my experience about individual personal based leadership project for the course of entrepreneurial leadership. My project is how to increase the success rate of set leadership speaker in well intervention job. This is my team. Before I start the project, I try to explain my philosophy to my team because it related with model the way that I'm clear about my philosophy and my value are honesty and integrity, teamwork, profitability, responsibility, customer focus, curiosity, and speed. To start this project, I and my team to try to find the background of the problem. First, during January until August 2019, there was much loss of time in well intervention job. We call it as non-productive time, and the biggest one is packer fail to set. It takes cost about 590 million rupiah. And the second one is KPI target from well services department that must be achieved in 2019. And the KPI target are number of well intervention and well services job, availability and utility hoist, and also OPEX optimization. Setting target to achieve is related with inspire the share vision. I try to paint the big picture of what do we want to achieve, and I speak with genuine conviction about the purpose of our work to my team. The biggest cause of NPT is packer fail to set. Then the question is, what is packer? Packer is a device that seals the tubing to casing annulus and force the produced fluid from the wellbore into the compression tubing. Packer are commonly used in natural flow wells, gas lift wells, and also for stimulation job. Before we use packer, packer must pass visual check. And this is the procedure. First, make sure there is no damage to the thread on both the top and bottom connection. And second, make sure the grip is not dull and worn. And third, make sure the drag block is not worn. Fourth, the seal condition on the top shaft must be clean so it can seal optimally. Fifth, the condition of mandrel is clean from dirt or sand and no scratches. And the last one, packing element. There are two end elements are hard and one center element is soft. In this process, I try to apply model the way. In this item, I share with my team about the principle and standards we have agreed on. This is packer use data from January until August. There were a case of packer failed to set from 34 packer use, so the success ratio of set packer is 76%. Next, we will look for the root cause of 76% success ratio of set packer using fishbone chart. The dominant cause of the method factor is deep and directional well profile. From machine is lack of quality control. For material is incorrect handling and packer not protected during shipping. And from man, there is lack of training. And from environment, deep and directional well profile and also no scraper and circulation before running packer. Searching root cause is related with challenge the process. In this item, I have discussion with my team and challenge them to find the root cause of every problem that occur and challenge my team to innovate to find solution. Based on the failure and mode effect analysis, the root cause of the problem then assessed quantitatively, and the result is lack of quality control as the biggest cause of the problem, which is around 56%. From the dominant root cause, then we look for alternative solution. There are three alternative solutions. First, making PF80 tool as a quality control of packer use. Second, using a new packer in every well. And third, provision of quality control expert services. Based on cost estimation, duration implementation, and low effort, high impact, making PF80 tool as a quality control packer is the best solution for this problem. I searched alternative solution by discussion with my team that related enable other to act in this item. I actively listen to various opinions from my team. I support decisions that have been agreed and selected by my team to realize a solution of the problem. After select alternative solution, then we create a tool. Making tool begin with making design using technical drawing and making procedure how to use the tool. In this step, I apply challenge the process. In this item, I experiment and take a risk, even where there is a chance of failure. And the other one is enable other to act. In this item, I give people a great deal of freedom and choice in deciding how to do their work. This is a strength test and stress analysis using software. And this is timeline using S-curve to compare plan and realization. Make S-curve is related with challenge process. In this item, I make certain that we set achievable goals, make concrete plans, and establish measurable milestones for the project and programs that we work on. After implementing the PF80 tool, this is the result. Packer can be set 100%, so the main root cause, lack of quality control, has been successfully resolved. You can see on the Pareto chart. This is summary and value creation. From quality, set packer successfully done 100%. From KPI, availability and utility, hoist achieve 105%. From cost, we can save cost about 590 million rupiah, and from KPI OPEX optimization, it achieved 106%. From delivery, it saved 134 hours save time production, and from KPI realization, well intervention and well services job, it achieved 105%. From safety, we can reduce potential accident and no repetition set packer job and zero incident. Also, we can utilization solid waste non-battery and we get gold proper. From morale, recruit is more comfortable at work. It can be found by questionnaire that we give to them. And the last point of 5 practice leadership is encourage the herd. I try to give reward for their contribution to the success of our project, give my team appreciation and support for their contribution, and find way to celebrate accomplishment as shown in this photo. I think this all from me, and thank you very much.